Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I've created this really simple and easy Rakhi makeup look. So you can do the same for any festival. If you like simple looks, you can also do this on your regular day because this makeup is really simple. There's nothing dramatic about it. I've just worn kurta and some earrings to give that festive theme, and I'm loving the wing liner I did today, and I've done it using only a kajal. I've not used a sketch liner, just a kajal. So if you're interested in knowing how I got this look, then please keep on watching. So I've already done my base makeup. I've just applied a little bit of concealer under my eyes and on my spots, and I just like it to be minimal. And now let's start with the eye makeup. Even the eye makeup I'm going to keep really simple because that's what I like. And in today's video I'm going to use Just Herbs products. Thank you Just Herbs for kindly sponsoring this video. So I'm going to use Kajal today. The one I'm using is by Just Herbs. This is their 9 day long kohl Kajal. It's smudge proof, sweat proof, and it claims to stay for 11 hours. That means it's quite long lasting. It's very pigmented, lightweight, and the application is super smooth. In just a single stroke you get the most pigment, and it's cruelty free and paraben free as well. I'm going to create an eyeliner look with this kajal, but before that I just want to apply some color to my eyelids, and for that I'm using the Just Herbs lip and cheek tint. Now you can use this all over your face. Just because it says lip and cheek tint doesn't mean you can't use it for eyeshadow. I love the shade Peachy Coral, so I'm just going to take a little bit of that. I love the formula of these. I'm just going to apply a little bit on both my eyelids. I've put very little just for that slight hint of color. Next I'm going to use the 9 day long kajal, and I'm putting it very close to my outer eyelid just for a slight wing. I'm not going all the way. Using a brush and slightly smudging it and making the wing sharper. This kajal has a unique blend of some nourishing ingredients. It has sweet almond oil and vitamin E. They ensure a smooth gliding application on your eyes without causing irritation. If you want a cleaner look, you can also use a Q-tip and clean off the edges. As you saw, just a little kajal went a long way, and I find the texture to be creamy, but it's matte, and once it dries, it is smudge proof. I'm also going to tight line my eyes. This makes a huge difference. Tight lining means applying kajal to your upper waterline. To bring your eye look together, you can also apply some mascara and inner corner highlight. To finish the look, I'm again going to use the same Just Herbs tint for my cheeks this time. Picking it up on a brush, you can also use your fingertips for this. For the lipstick, I have 5 options. This is a really cute Just Herbs liquid lipstick kit. I'm really confused about 2 of these shades. I really like both of them. So I'm going to mix the 2. So this is the finished look. This was super quick and easy to do. You can definitely try it out if you like simple festive looks, and if you're looking for a smooth creamy kajal which does not irritate your eyes, I would highly recommend this one. I will leave all the links in the description box below, so please check it out. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every Saturday, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.